Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Zoomini EA for MT5. This is a machine learning model set from the GoGoPips research project focused exclusively on gold. So let's break down what it actually is and the important caveats. All right, so the EA goes for 299 US dollars, as you can see here. And let me just expand this so we can see it more clearly. As you can see from the MQL5 page, Zoomini is a small collection of machine learning models that came out of the latest GoGoPips research from July 2026. As you can see, these models are intended only for XAUUSD, that's the gold pair, on the 1 hour time frame. The core design is deliberately different from most EAs. The models trade with only one open order at a time, using equal stop loss and take profits. They support netting accounts and any leverage. Because the style is medium term, larger deposits are also supported. A key point the developer emphasizes is 100% trading activity. The models do not wait for perfect or convenient entry points. Instead, they were trained to predict price direction continuously and stay in a trading state. This means the EA is designed to be active rather than selective. There's a public live signal and leaderboard for transparency, so buyers can see current trades and statistics without filters. Um, Purchasers may also receive models from a new research project planned for later in the year. As for the features marketed by the developer, the key features include the machine learning direction prediction models, single order execution with equal SL/TP, continuous market presence, medium term holding style, netting, and any leverage compatibility and access to public live statistics. Support, installation help, and the community of experienced traders are listed as part of the package. The developer is clear that this is research output rather than a finished commercial product with guaranteed results. So you can see, we also have some screenshots from the developer. You can see how the equity curve looks. Looks pretty decent. Some sharp movement to the upside, even with little periods of volatility here and there. But overall, the trend line looks very clean and it moves sharply, almost in like a 45-degree angle line. So we have that. But because the EA did not load properly in standard strategy tester for me, when I try to test into MT5, we have to rely on the public live signal and the developer's own description. Um, from what I saw, the signal showed recent positive growth over a short period with a solid profit factor and relatively controlled activity, but the history is still very short, only a few weeks. So the always in market approach is interesting from a research perspective. Most EEs try to filter for high probability setups and stay flat when conditions are unclear. Zoomini's models were trained to keep predicting direction continuously. That can capture more moves, but as you know, it also means the system is exposed to every type of market condition, including noise, ranging periods, and sudden news shocks on gold. Equal SL/TP and the single order rule keep individual trade risks defined and prevent position stacking. That's a clear positive actually compared with grid or martingale systems. However, Continuous exposure still carries the risk of sequences of losses if the model's directional predictions are wrong for an extended period. Honestly, the features that matter most are the single order rule, equal risk reward on every trade, and the public life statistics for ongoing evaluation. The machine learning research background is the main selling point, but it also means results can change as new models are released or as market regimes shift. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, continuous trading on gold H1 means constant exposure to volatility and news. Machine learning models can degrade when market behavior changes. Short life history makes it hard to judge long-term robustness. The developer themselves states that there are no profit guarantees and that this is an experiment. In practice, treat it as a research tool, use conservative risks, monitor the live signal closely, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Past or recent results never guarantee future performance. So who is the EA actually for? This may suit experienced gold traders who are interested in machine learning research approaches, comfortable with continuous market exposure, and willing to evaluate live performance over time. You should probably avoid this EA if you prefer selective high filter systems that stay flat often, if you want long verified track records, or if you are looking for a low risk or set and forget solution. Beginners should be especially cautious with any experimental ML systems on gold. Overall, Zoomini EA is a research-driven machine learning model set for gold H1 that stays continuously active with single order equal SL/TP execution. It offers transparency through public life results, but it is explicitly experimental. Thorough independent evaluation and strict risk management are essential. As I previously said, always trade with money you can afford to lose. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.